Our next agenda is signing the contract agreement document. With the honor, we would like to invite His Excellency José Agostinho da Silva, Minister of Transports and Communications of LDTL, and Muhammad Yunus Asiari Umar, the representative of PT Waskita Karya Persero Tbk Indonesia, to proceed in front to sign the contract document. We also invite His Excellency Rui Augusto Gomes, Minister of Finance of RDTL, together with His Excellency Octo Durino Osmani, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary, Republic of Indonesia, and Iketut Pasek Sanjaya Putra, Director Operation of PT Waskita Karya, to proceed in front to be the witness. Exchange of contract agreement document between Minister of Transports and Communications of the DTL and PT Waskita Karya Persero Tbk Indonesia. Persero Tbk Indonesia and the Director Operation of PT Waskita Tbk Indonesia to return to your seat, please. With the honor, we would like to invite His Excellency Ari Heriadi, representative of PT Amitas, to proceed in front to sign the contract document. Exchange of contract agreement document between we request His Excellency Ambassador Republic of Indonesia and the representative of PT Amitas to return to your seat, please. With the honor, we would like to invite His Excellency Kei Nicolau, Chief Consultant of Consortium of Japan. We also invite His Excellency Kimura Tetsuya, the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary, Embassy of Japan in Timor-Leste, to proceed in front to be the witness. agreement document between Ministry of Transports and Communications and Consortium of Japan Airport Consultant. To your seat. Thank you. Honorable ladies and gentlemen, together here in this meeting room of MTC, we are witness of a very important event, the signing of these three important contract documents that symbolize the beginning of the development of Presidente Nicolau Lobato International Airport project. Once again, thank you for your attention. The next agenda is the delivery speech by His Excellency, the President of FDTL. With the honor, we would like to invite His Excellency, Dr. José Ramos Horta, the President of FDTL, to deliver the speech. Your Excellency, the stage is yours.
Buat tarde, selamat siang, welcome, friends, selamat datang di Timor, Socisl. Terima kasih, arigato, thank you, everyone. Thank you, Asina, participating countries. Dear Excellency Prime Minister, Minister of Transportation, Vice Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Minister, and Minister of Finance, Work, all the ministers involved, partners in IFC.
Para may hata sa mega o kadira besin ne sabi may botan paswa sa besin okay bandera
Prime Minister will speak, but he's always very humble. It gives me the privilege to ask. I would say it is a very long project dream to have a Dili International Airport. And I followed over the years the dream, the attempts, the study, the hiccups, the difficulty of all sorts. Finally, under Prime Minister Matarua's leadership and his Minister for Transportation and all other ministers involved in this complex process because it looked like low wattage. I think everything was pretty carefully planned and studied. So congratulations to everyone. Our friends, partners, and two the construction companies that I know have a tremendous record in construction in Indonesia and acquired over many decades very strong experience with know-how and technology and have done much more complex projects elsewhere in the past archipelago. So I am confident we will have a finest airport, and of course our other partners, Australia and Japan, also outstanding in infrastructure development. Both countries have a very long experience. Just look at the infrastructure in Australia, in Japan, and in countries where you have built. I was in Yangon a few years ago, saw the the new airport, I asked, and who did it, and they said Japan. So I said, where is Japan to do, when to do, and then in Delhi. So at least you are doing the air terminal. So, and if we look at the roadmap for ASEAN session, please, Ambassador, and all the ambassadors from ASEAN and ASEAN dialogue partners, please tell the presidency of ASEAN and all others that at least two better infrastructures are done. One is the Singapore, and now we build the international airport, which I understand will be ready in 2026. And Mr. Edward Holmes, the project owner of the Paradise, he promised also the hotel will be ready in 2026. So quite a few infrastructures that are required for Timor-Leste, necessary for us anyway, regardless of ASEAN or any other obligations. You know, we are obligations for ourselves, for the development of the country, for air transportation, for maritime transportation, for trade, for tourism. We need these infrastructure.